The angle of Bronson Reed showcasing Roman Reigns' stolen Jordans comes across as intentional promotion rather than coincidence, fueling speculation of a Nike WWE connection. Instead of hyped sneakers that sell on their own, the spotlight falls on general release models like the Jordan 1 Mid and Spiz'ike Low, a clever move to stir interest in overlooked pairs. Reed's energetic persona makes him a fitting figure to spark chatter across both wrestling and sneaker communities, where subtle hints can build massive buzz. While no collaboration has been officially confirmed, the narrative feels like strategic guerrilla marketing designed to ignite curiosity and anticipation. Parallel to this, sneakerheads remain fixated on the long-awaited Nike Air Tech Challenge 2 Poison Green Retro, a pair still unannounced, with the 2014 release keeping fans engaged as they await potential news of its return.